Welcome, friends. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze if you prefer. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling peace and exhaling any tension you might be carrying. Feel your body settle. Feel the weight of your form supported by the earth. Today, we'll be working with a powerful mantra. I am in control of my emotions. Emotions are a beautiful part of being human. They can bring us joy, excitement, and deep connection. But sometimes emotions can feel overwhelming, dragging us down like a strong current. Let's bring our awareness to our breath. Notice the natural rise and fall of your chest, the cool air entering your nostrils, the warmth of your breath leaving. With each inhale, silently repeat, I am. With each exhale, silently repeat, in control. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them gently, like wispy clouds passing overhead. Don't judge them, simply let them go. If you find your mind fixated on a specific emotion, say anger, for example, repeat the mantra with even more focus. I am in control of my anger. See yourself standing firmly on the shore, observing the waves of emotion rather than being swept away by them. Sometimes emotions can manifest physically: tightness in the chest, a knot in the stomach. Notice any physical sensations without judgment. Imagine these sensations as ripples on the surface of a still pond. The deeper you go within yourself, the calmer the water becomes. Let the mantra be your anchor. When worries pull at you, repeat it with conviction. When frustration bubbles up, repeat it with gentleness. You are not your emotions. You are the observer, the one with the power to choose your response. Take a few slow, deep breaths, feeling your body growing more and more relaxed. The mantra, "I am in control of my emotions," is a powerful tool you can carry with you throughout your day. When a strong emotion arises, take a moment, breathe, and repeat the mantra. Reclaim your inner strength. As we gently come back to the present moment, wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep stretch. Remember, you are the captain of your emotional ship. You have the power to navigate through rough waters and find calm seas. I wish you peace, strength, and the ability to manage your emotions with grace. Stay mindful, friends.